Welcome to Sliver and Bite TV. Let's make Caesar salad dressing. There's a lot of misconceptions as to where Caesar salad dressing hailed from, and it's actually from Tijuana, Mexico. In a food processor, place in your mayonnaise. If you would like to make your own homemade mayonnaise, click the banner above. And now your finely grated Parmigiano-Reggiano, Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, optional anchovies, however, this is a major part of the actual taste. 2 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper to taste, and half of the milk that you have measured out. We will see if we need to adjust the consistency a little later on. Now we start up the food processor on a low speed to begin with. You'll see that it's bouncing around quite a bit, and that is because of the garlic cloves. And once the food processor blades have chopped up the garlic cloves, you'll be able to put it on a higher speed. I've had that mixing for approximately a minute. Now you can do a little taste test and see if you need to enhance any of the flavors. Give the wall of the food processor a scrape down so that you are making sure you're getting every part of the ingredient list incorporated into your Caesar salad dressing. You don't want a rogue piece of garlic not in the actual mixture. And then I've put in half of the remaining milk just to loosen up the dressing a little bit more. Give that another blitz for under 30 seconds just to make sure it's all combined. And then pour this into the vessel of your choosing. This is good in the fridge for approximately a week. You've got to remember that you've made this fresh, no preservatives, so it won't last as long as your jarred or canned items. You can 100% create this without a food processor. All you'll need to do is ensure that you chop up, mince really finely your garlic, and then drizzle it and toss it into your salad of choice. However, is perfect on a traditional or amped up Caesar salad. And if you want to learn how to make those salads, click the banner above. See you soon.